So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see we have reversing sensors. The whole of the rear of the vehicle is ply lined, as you can see, and we have that full metal bulkhead just there, as well as the sliding side door. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And beneath that, it'll show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, and we're in park at the moment. Above that, we have the trip computer section, which includes the total miles for the van. They are 12,339. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that, but you can change that information by using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and vehicle info. The buttons I was using are just here. We have phone and stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter, and then the stereo is over in the center just here. So when it comes to music, we've got a few ways we can listen to it in this car: AM, FM and DAB radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you paired up your phone. There are also two separate USB inputs, so if you plug devices into either or both of those, they'll appear up here as further options. We have one USB input just there, next to a 12-volt charging socket, and the second one is directly in front of the steering wheel just here. If we back out to the main menu of this, you'll see this is where you pay your phone. Just hit add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on the screen from there. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning for the car. So you can see on the left-hand side, fan speed, temperature on the right-hand side, and then the direction the air is being distributed in the middle here. The air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the vehicle. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. And then we've got a heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings. Same for the passenger, heated front screen and heated mirrors as well. And then finally, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The button on the side just here will enable you to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.